I was driving down a highway and I saw a sign on the side of the road that was flashing some warning about what was ahead. And I was thinking, that's a great metaphor. It's a great way to communicate ideas. My name is Justin Guariglia. I'm an artist, and this is We Are the Asteroid II. So this is an LED solar-powered highway message board. As a society, we haven't accepted the fact that we are inside an ecological crisis. So I've used this text as a way to get people to stop and to think ecologically before we start to take more action. One of my favorite quotes is by J.G. Ballard. In the past, artists used to create fictions, but today we live in a world of fictions. So the artists need to create reality.